Have you ever wondered why two buildings on the same street can have completely different electricity bills, even when they use the same lights, the same air conditioners, and the same appliances? One building quietly wastes energy every second. Lights stay on in empty rooms. Air conditioning cools spaces nobody uses. Machines run harder than they need to. Tiny inefficiencies pile up hour after hour, day after day, until the bill becomes massive. But the other building is different. It can sense movement. It understands temperature changes. It predicts power demand before it spikes. It automatically adjusts lighting, cooling, and electricity usage in real time. And here's the shocking part: no human is controlling it. Artificial intelligence is. Today, AI-powered smart sensors are transforming homes, offices, factories, and even entire cities into intelligent systems that save enormous amounts of energy while reducing pollution at the same time. Some businesses are cutting electricity costs by 20, 30, even 40%, simply by allowing AI to make thousands of tiny decisions every day. So in this video, we're going to explore how AI for eco-efficiency actually works, how smart sensors are slashing energy bills around the world, and why this technology could completely change the future of sustainability forever. And trust me, some of these AI systems already feel like something straight out of science fiction. Imagine walking into your home after a long day. Before you even touch a switch, the lights gently turn on. The room temperature adjusts to your preference. Curtains shift automatically to let in natural light instead of wasting electricity. Meanwhile, devices you're not using quietly power down in the background. Now imagine this happening not just in one home, but across entire skyscrapers, shopping malls, hospitals, factories, airports, and smart cities. That's the world AI-driven eco-efficiency is creating. For decades, energy systems worked in a very simple way. Humans manually controlled everything. We turned lights on and off. We adjusted thermostats ourselves. Machines operated using fixed schedules whether they were needed or not. The problem is, humans are not very efficient. We forget things. We waste electricity without noticing. We overcool rooms. We overheat buildings. We leave systems running even when nobody is around. And globally, this creates an enormous problem. Buildings alone consume a massive percentage of the world's electricity. Air conditioning systems run continuously. Data centers require huge amounts of power. Industrial machinery operates around the clock. All of this contributes to rising energy costs and increased carbon emissions. But AI changes the game completely. Instead of reacting after energy is wasted, AI systems can predict and optimize energy usage before waste even happens. And the secret behind all of this is smart sensors. These tiny devices act like the eyes, ears, and nervous system of an intelligent environment. Some sensors detect motion. Others measure temperature, humidity, light levels, air quality, pressure, electricity flow, vibration, or occupancy. Individually, they may seem simple, but when connected to artificial intelligence, they become incredibly powerful. Because AI doesn't just collect data. It learns from it. Imagine an office building where AI notices that certain meeting rooms remain empty most afternoons. Over time, the system automatically reduces cooling and lighting in those areas during unused hours. Or consider a factory where sensors detect that one machine vibrates differently than usual. AI recognizes this as an early warning sign of inefficiency or mechanical failure and schedules maintenance before the machine wastes energy or breaks down completely. This is predictive intelligence. And it's saving companies millions of dollars. One of the biggest areas where AI sensors are making a huge impact is heating and cooling systems. Think about how much energy air conditioning uses worldwide. In many buildings, HVAC systems are the single largest source of electricity consumption. Traditional systems simply follow fixed settings without understanding what's actually happening inside the building. But AI-powered systems work differently. They continuously analyze occupancy patterns, outdoor weather conditions, sunlight exposure, room usage, and even historical behavior. If a conference room is empty, cooling automatically decreases. If sunlight naturally warms one side of the building, AI compensates instantly. If weather forecasts predict lower evening temperatures, the system prepares ahead of time instead of overworking later. The result? Massive energy savings with almost no reduction in comfort. And some smart buildings are becoming so efficient that they can lower electricity usage by astonishing amounts every single year. But this technology isn't limited to large corporations or futuristic skyscrapers. It's already entering ordinary homes. Smart thermostats are among the most common examples. These AI-driven devices study your habits over time. They learn when you wake up, when you leave for work, when you return home, and what temperatures you prefer during different parts of the day. Instead of running constantly, they optimize energy use automatically. And over months or years, that can dramatically reduce household electricity bills. But AI's role in eco-efficiency goes far beyond temperature control. Lighting systems are also evolving rapidly. Traditional lighting wastes huge amounts of electricity because lights often stay on unnecessarily. AI-powered lighting systems solve this problem using occupancy sensors and adaptive brightness controls. Imagine a parking garage where lights brighten only when movement is detected. Or streetlights that dim during low traffic hours but instantly increase brightness when pedestrians or vehicles approach. Entire cities are beginning to adopt these intelligent systems to reduce power consumption while improving safety at the same time. And here's where things become even more fascinating. AI systems can also coordinate renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. One of the biggest challenges with renewable energy is unpredictability. Solar panels generate less electricity during cloudy weather. Wind turbines depend on changing wind conditions. But AI can analyze weather forecasts, historical energy patterns, and real-time sensor data to balance energy supply more efficiently. For example, an AI-powered grid may decide the best time to store solar energy in batteries, when to distribute electricity to homes, or when to reduce non-essential power usage during peak demand periods. This creates smarter, cleaner, and far more stable energy networks. And experts believe these intelligent energy systems could become one of the most important technologies in the global fight against climate change. Because every wasted watt matters. Every unnecessary light. Every overworked machine. Every inefficient building. It all adds up. Now imagine billions of AI-powered sensors constantly working together across the planet, reducing waste second by second. That's not just technological convenience anymore. That's environmental transformation. But despite all these incredible advantages, there's also a growing debate surrounding AI-driven eco-efficiency. Because these systems collect enormous amounts of data. They monitor movement, behavior patterns, energy habits, and occupancy in real time. Critics argue that as buildings become smarter, privacy concerns may also increase. And there's another major question nobody can ignore: what happens when entire cities begin depending on AI to manage critical infrastructure? Could hackers target intelligent energy systems? Could AI failures disrupt power distribution? And ironically, could the rapid growth of AI itself create new environmental problems because of the massive energy demands of data centers? These are the questions shaping the future of intelligent sustainability. Right now, we're standing at the beginning of a major technological shift. A world where buildings think, factories predict problems before they happen, and cities continuously optimize themselves to waste less energy every single second. But as powerful as this sounds, the rise of AI-driven eco-efficiency also comes with serious challenges that many people rarely talk about. Because creating an intelligent world isn't as simple as installing a few smart sensors. Behind every smart building is an enormous digital ecosystem constantly collecting, processing, and analyzing data in real time. And that raises one very important question: how much control should we give artificial intelligence over the systems we depend on every day? Imagine an entire city powered by AI. Traffic lights automatically adjust to reduce congestion and fuel waste. Smart grids distribute electricity dynamically based on demand. Water systems detect leaks instantly. Public transportation adapts routes depending on passenger flow. Buildings communicate with power networks to avoid overload during peak hours. It sounds incredibly efficient. But if one central AI system fails, the consequences could be massive. Cybersecurity experts have already warned that smart infrastructure could become a future target for cyber attacks. A hacker doesn't necessarily need to shut down an entire city to create chaos. Even manipulating traffic systems, energy distribution, or industrial operations could cause major disruptions. And unlike traditional infrastructure, AI systems are deeply interconnected. One malfunction can trigger a chain reaction. That's why governments and technology companies are investing heavily in secure AI architecture, encrypted sensor networks, and decentralized systems designed to prevent catastrophic failures. But there's another irony that makes this topic even more fascinating. AI is helping the world save energy, yet AI itself consumes enormous amounts of electricity. Modern artificial intelligence relies on massive data centers filled with high-performance computers operating 24 hours a day. These facilities require huge amounts of power and cooling. In fact, some advanced AI systems consume more electricity during training than entire small towns use in a year. So while AI reduces waste in one area, it can also increase energy demand in another. This has created a race to develop greener AI itself. Technology companies are now building energy-efficient chips, liquid-cooled servers, and AI systems optimized to consume less computational power. Some data centers are even being powered entirely by renewable energy sources such as solar, hydroelectric, and wind energy. The goal is no longer just smart technology. It's sustainable intelligence. And this race is accelerating faster than ever. Around the world, real-life examples of AI eco-efficiency are already proving how transformative this technology can become. In some smart office buildings, AI analyzes employee movement patterns to optimize lighting and temperature floor by floor. Instead of cooling an entire skyscraper equally, the system targets only occupied areas. Airports are beginning to use AI to reduce electricity waste by monitoring passenger density, escalator usage, and terminal activity in real time. Factories are deploying predictive maintenance systems that monitor machine vibration, heat, and electrical behavior to identify inefficiencies long before equipment breaks down. Even agriculture is changing dramatically. AI-powered sensors placed in soil can monitor moisture levels, nutrient conditions, and weather patterns simultaneously. Farmers can then deliver water only where it's needed instead of wasting enormous amounts through traditional irrigation methods. Some systems even use drones combined with AI imaging to detect unhealthy crops before humans can notice any visible signs. The result is less water usage, lower costs, and more sustainable food production. And perhaps one of the most exciting developments is happening in transportation. AI is now helping electric vehicle charging networks become smarter and more efficient. Instead of charging all vehicles at maximum power simultaneously, intelligent systems can distribute electricity strategically to reduce stress on the power grid. Some future smart grids may even allow homes, cars, and buildings to share electricity dynamically with each other. Imagine your electric car automatically charging when energy prices are low, then supplying electricity back to the grid during peak demand hours. Your vehicle could literally become part of a giant intelligent energy ecosystem. And this idea of interconnected intelligence leads us towards something even bigger: self-optimizing cities. Urban planners around the world are already exploring the concept of cities where AI continuously manages energy, waste, transportation, lighting, water usage, and infrastructure automatically. In these future environments, sensors could detect traffic buildup before congestion forms. Garbage collection routes could optimize themselves based on waste levels. Buildings could communicate with weather systems to minimize heating and cooling demands. Everything becomes adaptive. Everything becomes responsive. Everything becomes interconnected. And when combined together, even tiny efficiency improvements create enormous environmental impact at scale. Because if one building saves 20% energy, that's impressive. But if millions of buildings save 20% simultaneously, that changes the future of the planet. Still, many experts believe the true power of AI eco-efficiency isn't just about technology. It's about changing humanity's relationship with energy itself. For most of history, energy consumption has been reactive and wasteful. We produced more than we needed because we lacked precise control and real-time awareness. But AI introduces something completely new. A world where systems constantly learn, adapt, predict, and optimize automatically. For the first time, humanity may have tools capable of managing resources with extraordinary precision. And that could become essential as the global population continues to grow and climate pressures intensify. Because the challenge ahead is enormous. The world needs more electricity for electric vehicles, digital infrastructure, manufacturing, and modern lifestyles. At the same time, we urgently need to reduce emissions and waste. And this is exactly why AI-powered eco-efficiency matters so much. It's not just about lowering electricity bills. It's about building a future where technology and sustainability work together instead of against each other. A future where intelligent systems quietly eliminate waste in the background while humans focus on creativity, innovation, and progress. And perhaps the most incredible part is this: we're only at the beginning. The smart sensors being installed today may eventually evolve into fully autonomous ecosystems capable of managing entire cities with minimal waste and near-perfect efficiency. What once sounded like science fiction is rapidly becoming reality. So the next time you see a motion sensor turning off lights in an empty room, or a smart thermostat adjusting temperature automatically, remember this: you're not just looking at convenience. You're looking at the early foundation of a global AI revolution that could reshape how humanity uses energy forever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of artificial intelligence, sustainability, and emerging technologies changing our world right now. And tell us in the comments, would you trust AI to manage your home, your city, or even an entire country's energy system? Because the future isn't coming someday. It's already here.